In the 1800s, Jamaica burst with life and color, its sweeping green hills rolling down to the sparkling turquoise sea. Each year, the Harvest Festival brought a renewed spirit to the island, a jubilant celebration that showcased the vibrant rhythms of reggae, music that was born from the heart and soul of the people. As the sun dipped low in the sky, casting an enchanting golden hue over the landscape, the kingdom prepared for a day filled with laughter, dancing, and the promise of a fruitful year ahead. Amid the excitement of the festival, Princess Punky wandered through the bustling market, her heart racing with the thrill of freedom. She was known for her fiery spirit, adorned in flowing garments that mirrored the vivid colors of the festival banners above her. Though bound to her royal duties, she yearned for adventure beyond the confines of the castle walls. One day, she whispered to herself, "I will explore the world and discover all its wonders." The vibrant atmosphere buzzed with the sounds of laughter and music as she weaved through the stalls, tasting fresh tropical fruits and admiring the dazzling crafts made by the island's artisans. Just then, she caught sight of a tall figure with eyes like the deep ocean, emerging from a crowd. It was Prince Howie, a brave warrior from a neighboring kingdom. Drawn by tales of reggae's beauty and the courageous princess, Howie had arrived at the festival, eager to witness the magic for himself. Their eyes locked, and in that moment, time seemed to stand still. As they exchanged smiles, the world around them faded, and they moved towards each other, every step filled with a growing sense of connection. "I've heard so much about you," Howie said, his voice warm and inviting. "And even more about the strength of your people." As the day wore on, they shared stories and laughter like long-lost friends, their chemistry palpable against the backdrop of the festival's music. The sun began to set, casting long shadows as they danced together at the evening gala, feet moving to the quick rhythm of drums and the melodic strum of guitars. Under a sky painted with stars, their radiant laughter mingled with the melodies of reggae. It was a moment of pure bliss, an escape from their responsibilities, as they twirled and spun in a whirlwind of joy. Yet, as the festival reached its climax, dark news spread like wildfire. Invading forces threatened the peace of their kingdoms, and panic seeped into the hearts of the people. The once joyous celebration transformed into a rallying cry for unity, as fear gripped the air. Princess Punky and Prince Howie stood together, their hearts racing, yet determined. "We cannot let fear dictate our fate," she proclaimed, her voice steady despite the chaos. With Howie by her side, they gathered their people, calling upon their courage and strength, blending Punky's passion for her kingdom and Howie's warrior spirit. Days turned into weeks as they trained the citizens, transforming the festival grounds into an arena of preparation. Laughter and music still echoed in the distance, but now it was complemented by the clash of swords, the grit of resilience, and the unwavering spirit of a united people. Punky and Howie led the charge, teaching their friends and neighbors to wield arrows and swords, crafting strategies that combined their strengths. When the invasion finally struck, the skies darkened as the enemy advanced, but the combined forces of Jamaica stood irresolute. With Punky's fiery resolve and Howie's leadership, they faced the invaders with unwavering courage. As the battle raged, the air was thick with tension, but amongst the chaos, their love served as a beacon of hope, guiding their people forward. Amidst the roar of conflict, the couple fought side by side, their hearts beating in unison. Each swing of a sword, each rallying cry motivated by their shared vision of peace and love. The forces of darkness could not withstand the might of their united strength, and one by one, the invaders were repelled. As the dust settled, silence engulfed the battlefield, transforming the festival grounds from mere celebration into a symbol of resilience and unity. Punky and Howie stood together, breathless yet triumphant, their hands clasped as they took in the sight of their people, victorious and filled with renewed hope. Their legendary tale soon blossomed into a timeless story of bravery, love, and unity that would inspire generations to come. As the Harvest Festival resumed, there was a new rhythm in the reggae music, a melody of unity that echoed through the hills of Jamaica, reflecting the indomitable spirit of Princess Punky and Prince Howie, whose love had not only endured but flourished. lighting the path towards a hopeful future.